Hello my beautiful people, today we are making one of Nigerian favorite snacks, fish roll. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to do this, we need to get our 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 2 tablespoons of margarine, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix everything together until we have breadcrumbs like you can see. Then we need half cup of water, so we're going to be adding it gradually, little by little, in order to form a dough, just the way you see me do. So you mix it until everything is fully combined. So that means you are going to be adding your water at interval. So you don't want your dough to be too soft, so you have to add the water at interval. You cannot add everything at once. So once you get your dough and it comes together like this, the next thing you are going to do is to put it in your bowl and set it aside for it to get set for the job. So while you're doing that, the next thing you are going to do is to get in your mackerel. Me, I'm using mackerel. You can decide to use Titus. Yes, that's still okay. So you are going to make sure you remove the bone in the middle and try as much as possible to get rid of the tiny bones in the fish or bones in the fish. Once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do is to use your fork to make sure you match the fish thoroughly, just the way you see me do. Once you are done mashing it, the next thing you are going to do is to add in your onions, your chopped onions, and mix it together. And then if you have little scotch bonnet, just the way I added a very small amount, you can add to it. But if you like scotch bonnet, you can decide to add more, but I think what I added is enough. And at this point, it is now optional for you to fry, or you just set it aside and use it. So in this case, I didn't add any seasoning to it because I just wanted to enjoy the fish. The fish already has a great taste, it's seasoned already, so I'm okay with that. So then I started kneading my dough just the way you see me do. You're going to add flour to your work surface and spread your dough. Once you are done spreading it, the next thing you are going to do is to be generous with your fish filling, just the way you see me do. You can see the quantity that I'm adding to it. I tried as much as possible to be generous with the fish filling. So once I'm done adding the fish filling, the next thing I'm going to do is to wrap it around. Guys, if you are here till this moment and you're here to subscribe to this channel, that is not a good idea. You have to subscribe, like, and leave a comment and share to your loved ones as well, because here at Legacylifekitchen we are one big family. We share recipes here, things that you can learn and start your own business of selling it. So once we are done with the wrapping, the next thing I did is to spread a foil paper on my baking tray. Then I placed in my fish roll. Then I'm going to bake it at a very low heat. I'm going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. Yes, 15 to 20 minutes. And now you can see the result of what I have. I wanted to feed the middle, but I got carried away, and everything is ready. Thank you for watching.